and we have found the missing probabilities in the channel, and entropy equations we have discussed. I want you to just read this. It is there in your notebook. See the slide again. H of x equal to h of y equal to h of x given y equal to, and h of y given x equal to. Observe carefully, the small changes are there in the equation, and after this we have h of x comma y. I think it is a repetition, one more x given y has come instead of x comma y. X comma y, you will get both x comma y probabilities, and information is h of x minus h of x given y. Another 2-3 equations are there. Today we will try to discuss those equations. Hope all of you are remembering this much. And now we will continue the today's class. So we will see the example. A binary symmetric channels are connected in cascade. Note down the problem statement. BSC means a binary symmetric channels are connected in cascade. Find a channel matrix of a resultant channel in cascade. Find a channel matrix of a resultant channel and find probability of Z1 and probability of Z2, and find probability of Z1 and probability of Z2 if probability of x1 equal to 0.6, if probability of x1 equal to 0.6, and probability of x2 equal to 0.4. Probability of x2 equal to 0.4. So note down the channel also. Take a 1 minute. x1, x2, y1, y2, z1, z2. Write down the probabilities. x1, y1 0.8, x1, y2 0.2, x2, x2 0.8, x2, y2 0.2. So this probability and these probabilities are same. Hence it is called as a binary symmetric channel because probabilities are same. And in this case also another binary symmetric channel, y1, z1, y2, z2. We have 0.7, 0.7, 0.3, 0.3. Take another 10 seconds, copy down. Then we will go step by step. First we will find out, consider the x1, y1, x2, y2, we will do it. And y1, z1, y2, z2. Then we will talk about x1, z1, x2, z2. Okay. So we can write, this is there in your notebook already. We can write two matrices of the channel as follows. Probability of y given x equal to probability of y1 given x1, y2 given x1, like this. These probabilities are there in the given channel figure. So simply copy down and write it. Then you can find out probability of z given y from this. y1 given x1, it is a 0.8. y1 given x1, 0.8. y2 given x1, y2 given x1, it is a 0.2, 0.2. From these I am writing. Similarly, write down y1 z1, y1 z2. I will show that in the next slide. Write the probability of z given y. The same way how you are written for y given x. The probabilities are given in this. I will show you in the next slide. You copy down, you write down, and you can compare also. Another 5 seconds I will wait. Now let us go to the z given y. So y given x you have already copied. Z given y, use this channel and write down y1 Z1 in Y1, I think it is given as a 0.7, 0.7 is written. Like that, just see this and write down. Take a 1 minute. You can complete before 1 minute also, no problem. Just wait for others to copy. Then we'll go to the next slide. Hope most of you are completing. Just write down 0.7, 0.3, 0.3, 0.7. Okay, another 10 seconds. We'll go to the next slide. Okay, go to the next. Now, Z given X is nothing but product of Y given X into product of Z given Y. Simply multiply these two. Write down this equation, fill this channel and this also, then multiply. Y given X, you have done it. Z given Y is also there. And fill the values and find out the Z given X. We'll go to the next slide. Anyway, the content is same. Let me check how many of you know multiplication. Write your answer in the chat box. Z given X, will get for some numbers or values. Type those values in the chat box. Let me see how many of you know the multiplication. I don't know recently have done or not. And this chapter, matrix multiplication, you have to do. Type your answers in the chat box so that I'll show you the answer. Then you can compare your answer. Y given X, it is there in your notebook. Z given Y is also you have written just now. Just multiply those two and write those four values in the chat box. Maybe wrong also. I think Charan has done 62383862. Okay, Vineet has done. Okay, good. Majority are getting that only. Pragati has typed 62.38.38.62. Correct, Pragati. Majority are typing the same thing. Abhay Bhatt is typing 0.62. Yes, same answer. Kritika is also typing the same answer. Aditya, Nivedita, Charan, Shilpa, Shivani, Shripad. I think everybody is getting same answer, including Simran, Vishwa, Amrita, Preeti. All are getting same answer. Then it's correct. I don't know what I have got. Let me show you. And 0.62, 0.62, 0.38 is correct. Rohit, Prithviraj, Bharat, Ajna Naik. Everybody is getting same answer. So if somebody has got different answer, you can copy down. You can check it later. Vijay Lakshmi, Sanjeev, Abhishek, Vishal, Abhishek, Siddharth, Shruti, all are getting a same answer. And now another 10 seconds I'll wait, then we'll go to the next slide. Jaisuri has done it, Ankita, Spurti, and Rohan, Vinay has done 0.62, 0.38, 0.38, 0.62. Let us go to the next slide. Nutan Vadgeri, Gaura Haveri has done, Amrita Maligi has done. Good. Another few more names I want to see. Shahasan, very good Shahasan. A few names didn't come. Okay, let us go to the next and find out the probability of Z. multiply probability of x into probability of z given x, so that you'll get a probability of z. Saujanya has typed, good. .62, 0.38, 0.38, 0.62. Saujanya also got same answer. And let me see, probability of z, somebody will type. Let them take more than a minute, no problem. Let me see their result in the chat box. Okay, Monica has typed. Very good, Monica. Now the probability of z, I'll just fill the values and find out the probability of z equal to. I'll show you the result. We can compare the result also. Shripad, Vineet and Nayak, I think all three got same answer. Abhishek Kulkarni got same answer. Charan, Sumit, answers are same. Abhirup Joshi, Ritika, Vinayak, Priya, Simran, Sai Manthan, Shilpa, Amruta, Janvi, Vishwa, all are getting same answer. 0.524, 0.476, Bharat, Vishal, Aditya, Adnya, Spurti, Amrita Malagi got same answer. So let me show you the answer, and those who are doing it, do it. Tejasvi, Jaysurya, and 0.476 is correct. I too got the same answer. Preeti, Praveen, Karthik, Rohit, Vijay Lakshmi, Jaysurya are getting same answer. So I'll pause for another 10 seconds, I'll wait, then we'll go to the next slide. Those who are still doing, let them do. Mallikarjun got the same answer. Mallikarjun Patil. So let me go to the next. I think most of them they are completed. Siddharth did it. Shivani, Geeta got same answer. Let us go to the next. Those who are doing it, please type your answers in the chat box. This was given as a homework to you people, a relation between the joint and conditional entropies. And actually this is a proof we used to do earlier, but because the number of credits are reduced, we are avoiding the derivations as much as possible. And this derivation is available in the YouTube, in my channel only. And you can go through, just copy down the problem statement, prove the following identities: h of y comma x equal to h of x given y plus h of y, and this derivation is available in the YouTube. You can go through. H of x comma y equal to h of x plus h of y if x and y are statistically independent. If another division, if it is they are discussing some derivations, let me know. I don't have any problem because all derivations are typed by me. I used all the mathematical equation editors and I have done. If that division, if they are doing it, let me know so that I can also discuss the derivations. So let us go to the next. A mutual information, little theory is there, few slides. I think we can just read it. The mutual information means what? The mutual information between two random variables measures the amount of information that one conveys about other. If you want, you can copy down also. Another few points are there. 3 equivalent definitions for the mutual information x and y. I of x comma y equal to h of x minus h of x given y. These 3 equations I want you people to copy. I think previous slide only I think it was there, and these we are going to use in our while solving the problems. So I of x comma y equal to h of x minus h of x given y. These things, if you remember, it will be helpful to solve the problems. And somebody was trying to attend this class now, I think Hayavadhan. Okay, so let him add his email ID to the group if he is in your class, if he has registered for ITC. Otherwise not needed. So let us go to the next. Properties of mutual information. It is a theory. I want you people to just note down, because there is one standard question they will ask sometimes. The mutual information of a channel is symmetric. Meaning is I of x comma y equal to I of y comma x. Or in some books they say a comma b, b comma a. I have 5-6 points are there. I want you people to just go through these sentences. They are easily understandable. The mutual information is always non-negative. You will get positive values only. I of x comma y is always greater than or equal to 0. And the mutual information of a channel may be expressed in terms of the entropy of the channel. So that equation you can see and note down. Just now you have taken these as a properties of mutual information. I want you people to take a minute and read it, and if possible note down 1 or 2 lines. Just take 1 minute. It is left to you whether you want to read twice, thrice, or you want to copy down. Anyway, all these summary equations I'll show in the after the another slide. At least read the theory part, so that equations you can copy after another slide. All equations I will put in one and I'll show you. Take another 4-5 seconds, we'll go to the next slide. Even if you have not copied the equation also, I'll show you later. So the mutual information is related to the joint entropy. This equation is what you have taken, and this is a summary. These are the equations what you have to remember. If you want, you can copy down all these equations, and these are needed to solve some of the problems. Sometimes I may use this, sometimes I may use this, sometimes I may use this, depending upon the requirement. I may use I of x comma y. This is for noise free channel. We'll see some examples. We'll try to calculate I of x comma y, if possible in today's class only. Take another 20 seconds. Just go through 2-3 you might have already copied. Another 2-3 you can take as a properties. Even if you remember the equations, you can write one line for each equation. That will become a property of a mutual information. For example, by seeing this, you can see the information will be always positive. You can see like that one line you can write for each equation. That will be the properties. Let us go to the next. Okay. So this is a summary, whatever you have discussed. All these equations we are going to use when we are solving the problem. Take a 50 seconds, just read it again and again so that you'll remember, and whenever we start solving the problems, you can recall these equations and fill the values, and you can find out h of x, h of y, h of x comma y, h of x given y, h of y given x, I comma I, x comma y you can calculate. So these are the 4 things we are supposed to find out in some of the given problems. So it's better if you remember all these equations. And base 2 we use because we say bits. So in most of the discussion it is base 2 only. Let us go to the next. I will skip this. Derivation is there. Even if you want, it is available in the YouTube. I of x comma y equal to I of y comma x. So this proof is available. This is one standard question. Most of the university they were asking this question. And nowadays we want to skip most of the derivations, but if you are interested you can visit the blog also. A link is provided in the blog. Even YouTube channel, if you are subscribed, it is there. You can just go through the derivation. So we'll skip this. Now let us take one example. A binary channel matrix is given. Copy down this. x1, x2 rows, y1, y2 column. Probabilities are given. 2 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 10, 9 by 10. Is it a binary symmetric channel? When can I say binary symmetric channel? Is it a binary symmetric channel or not? You have taken in the previous class. Symmetric means probabilities of the opposite will be same. When I send x1 when I receive y1, that probability. When I send x2 when I receive y2, that probability will be same. Then only I can say symmetric. It is a binary channel, not symmetric. Generally binary channel. I want you to copy down this problem statement. Take another 1 minute. State probabilities are given. Probability of x1 equal to 1 by 3, x2 equal to 2 by 3. Determine h of x given y, h of y given x. Mutual information is nothing but I of x comma y. These things you have to find out for a given channel matrix. I'll wait for another 20 seconds so that probabilities you can copy down correctly. If a probability, if you copy it wrong, definitely your answers will be different. Even in the exam also, try to copy down the probabilities properly. Let us go to the next. So it's not a binary symmetric channel. A channel can be compared with the standard matrix so that you will get a probability of y1 given x1 is a 2 by 3, y2 given x1 is a 1 by 3, y2 given x2 is a 1 by 10, and y2 given x2 is a 9 by 10. Just I am comparing with the general standard matrix, and it is not a symmetric because these two probabilities are not same. We will see symmetric also in some of the later class. Now we will discuss this particular problem and we will try to find out all the h of x given y, h of y given x, h of x comma y, I of x comma y. We will try to find out. So let us go to the next. Take another 8 seconds. Let me go to the next slide. Okay. To obtain the input symbol entropies, h of x I want. So I can write a probability of x1 log 1 by p of x1, probability of x2 log 1 by probability of x2. Fill the values and find out h of x. These two are given in the problem statement. I have written here also once again a matrix if you need. These two values are given to you, 1 by 3 and 2 by 3. Fill those values and find the answer h of x equal to. Once you get h of x, I will wait for a minute so that you can fill the values h of x you can find out. 1 by 3 log 3, 2 by 3 log 3 by 2. And base log base you can take 2 only. Take another few seconds and try to find out. H of x equal to, I think some of the students they might have typed, let me go to the down, I think 0.918 they have typed, many students everybody has typed same 0.918. Let me show that answer to you people. I got 0.9182 bits per second. I think majority have got the same answer. Rohan, Abhay, Shahasan, Saujanya, Vishal, Jaysurya, everybody, Siddharth, all are getting 0.91 only. And even Ankita Shetty has got the same answer, 0.918. So now let us go to the next. To obtain output symbol in rupee, I need what? Product of y1 and y2. Simply I had to multiply these two. You have the values of product of x1 you know, product of x2 you know. This is given you in the problem statement. Simply multiply these two and try to find the answer. The same slide, just take a next slide. The same equation I given. Fill these two and find this y1 and y2. Take a time. I want everybody has to do it. I want everybody has to type the answer, whether it's right or wrong. Product of y1 equal to product of y2 equal to, you have to type in the chat box. A matrix also, all the content I have given. Simply I have to multiply. Hope all of you know how to multiply. 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 10 into 1 by 2. Simply add all, you will get a 1 value. Similarly 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 into 9 by 10, you will get another value. One is a y1 and there is a y2. Take another 1 minute to multiply these and type the answers in the chat box so that you can compare what others are getting, y1 and y2. Whether your answers are same or not, you can compare. And I will also show what I got. If all the answers are same, then what you have done is correct. So try to do it and type the answers in the chat box. Be active. It will not take much of time to do it. I told 1 by 3 into 2 by 3 plus 1 by 3 into 1 by 10. I think Chaitra Kulkarni has told 23 by 90, 74 by 90. Even you can tell in terms of point something also, no problem. 0.27 to Shilpa, 0.56 Amrita, 0.27, 0.56 Sumit, Monica got same answer. I think Praveen 0.288. Okay, he has typed reverse. That's all. I think 0.56. I think Praveen Patil's answer is different. And Bharat, Varsha, Ritika, Simran, Pragati, all are getting same answer. Only 1 or 2 students they are getting different answer. And Pragati got same answer. Vijay Lakshmi, Prithviraj, Geeta, Abhay, Vishal, Spurti, and Janvi, Rohit, Siddharth, Harsha, Preeti, Priya. Okay, most of them they are getting same answer. Aditya and Saujanya, Vinay, also got the same answer. So I'll show you the answer. Shripad, Sanjeev, Adnya, Abhiroop, Jaisurya, Devidas, Naik got same answer, and Devraj, Gaura, 0.288, I think 0.56, I think some 0.71, I think Rohan got 0.711, Tejasvi's answer is different, 0.562 is getting, but okay, somebody has, Tejasvi has typed again, 0.56, okay, with a star. I got 0.288 and Y2 I got 0.7111. I think majority have got the same answer. Nivedita also got the same answer. Ritik Rai, Nutan, Te, Rohan are getting the same answer. Let us go to the next. Find out h of y equal to. Equation is known to you. You have a product of y1 and product of y2 in your hand. Simply fill the values and find out h of y equal to. You have done h of x. Now we are going to do h of y. Then you have to do h of x given y, h of y given x, and we need a mutual information I equal to, you have to find out using the equations. Okay, 0.86 Shilpa, Jannavi, Aditya, 0.86 everybody is telling. Nivedita also got same, Rohan got same, Lohit, Nayak got same answer, Geeta, Charan, Abhay, Spurti, Praveen, Tejasvi, Sanjeev, Vinay, Ritika, Vishal, Vishwa, Prithviraj, Ritika, and Bharat, Jaisurya, Karthik, Rohit, Preeti, Mallikarjun, Shivani, Amrita are getting 0.867 answer. And Hritika, Adnya and Shivani Adali got same answer. It is correct. I too got the same answer. I think all of us done correct. Take another 10 seconds. Siddharth got a same answer, 0.86. Take another 10 seconds. I want everybody's name in the chat box. Devraj, Siddharth, Shivani, all are getting the same answer, 0.86. 7273 something. And let us go to the next. Shruti Mali got the same answer. Harsha got the same answer. Good, Harsha. And to calculate the joint entropy h of x comma y, Abhishek got same answer. H of x comma y, we needed a joint probability of xi comma yj. Gaura got same answer, Maitri got same answer, Nutan, Vadigir got same answer. Very good. So active, very good. And let us go to find the product of xi, yj. We know that equation product of xi and xy, joint product is given by product of y given x and into product of xi. So now you have to find out the product of x1 y1, product of x1 y2, x2 y1, x2 y2. Equation is known to you, I have given just now. Make use of these equations and try to find out the product of x1 and y1, x1 y2, x2 y1, x2 y2. Joint probabilities I have to find out. Conditional probabilities I know, product of xi, x1, x2, x3 all are known to me, and conditional probabilities are also known to me. Simply I have to find out the joint probabilities. So this is the equation. Product of xi yj is equal to product of yj given xi into product of xi. One sample I have shown to you. x1 y1 equal to y1 given x1, 2 by 3 into 1 by 3, it's a 2 by 9 I got. Similarly, x1 y2, x2 y1, x2 y2 you can type the answers. and note down also in your notebook for your reference. I'll wait for another 10 to 15 seconds. You people can do it. All the up to x2, y2. Let me copy your content of the chart to my MS Word file. It's not selecting fast. Okay, let me see the chat box now. Okay, somebody has typed, I think, answer. X1 is x1 y2 is 3 by 5. I'll show you the answer also. Y x1 y1 is over. Similarly, we have a x1 y2, x2 y1. Simply multiply those and you'll get answers. Good. All are typing now. 1 by 9, 2 by 9. Very good, Spurti, Geeta, Nivedita, Shilpa. All are getting the answers. 2 by 30, Prithviraj, Gaura, 1 by 9. Good. And Nivedita also getting 1 by 9. X1 y2 Vijayalakshmi 3 by 5. X1 y2 x1 y2 3 by 5. Check. Somebody is getting different answer, please check it. X2 y2 3 by 5. Okay, correct. 3 2. Okay, it's correct. I kept as it is, so simply you can write down 3 by 5 also correct. Nutan, Gaura, Siddharth, Simanthan and Shilpa got a 9 by 100. X2 y2. Abhishek Kulkarni 3 by 5. Now you can find out h of x comma y. If your probabilities are correct, all of you will get the same answer, h of x comma y. Find out h of x comma y. I think Simran got 18 by 30. 3 by 5 also somebody is writing. Nivedita got 18 by 30. Somebody is getting 9 by 100. Is it same? Devraj is getting x2 y2 9 by 100. Let me check others. 1 by 9 x1 y2 correct. And 2 by 30 Nivedita for what? x2 y2 correct. Some people are writing correct only. Harsha 18 by 30 she is getting for what? Maybe x2 y2. Devraj 9 by 100. Check Devraj, because some students they are writing correct answer. Amrita also wrote 18 by 30. Bharat 3 by 5. Okay. Siddharth 18 by 30. Karthik 18 by 30. Ajna 3 by 5. So you can copy down worst case the same probabilities now, and I want you to find out h of x comma y. Ajna got 3 by 5. Vijayalakshmi 18 by 30. x2 y2. Anyway I have typed everything in the slide. Prajakta 18 by 30. If your answers are different, you can copy down this and we can have a discussion later. And I want you to now find out h of x comma y. I think you may be having another class, another 5 minutes will take, then we'll try to conclude. Prajakta 18 by 30. Vijayalakshmi, Amrita, Ajna, Karthik, Simran. Okay. So anybody is getting h of x comma y? How to do it? Simply fill the values. Probabilities are given to you: 2 by 9, 1 by 9, 2 by 30, 18 by 30. And all of you know the equation: x of h of x comma y equal to Aditya Hiramat has typed 1.53. Rohan got same. Varsha 1.53. Saujanya 1.53. Very good. Saujanya, Varsha, Nayak, Shilpa. Sumit Desai got same 1.536. Vishwa, Abhishek, Ajna, Spurti, Gaura, Prithviraj, all got the same answer 1.536. And Amrita, there are two Amrita, I think at a time they are typed. Very good Amrita. Maliki and Amrita Hammannavara. Preeti, Shivani, Tejasvi, Vishala, Geeta, all have got the same answer 1.53. And even I too got the same answer. I'll show you now. 1.5365 bits per message symbol. Bits per symbol I got. Shivani, Praveena, Siddhartha, Sripada, Jayasurya, Charan got same answer. Now find out h of y given x. Find out h of y given x. All of you know the equation: h of x comma y minus h of x. If these two answers you have already have in a notebook, Devraj, Chaitra, Praveen, Siddharth, Shivani, all have got the same answer 1.53. H of y given x you can find out, and your answers you can type in the chat box. .536. Okay. And now they are typing Geeta 0.6195, Aditya, Rohan, Bharat, Devidas, Praveen, Sumit Desai has typed 0.619. All are typing the same answer: Abhishek, Shilpa, Pragati, Simran, Karthik, Gangir, Ajna, Abhay Bhatt, and Shivani, Shruti, Jayasurya, Chaitra, all are getting same 0.618. Amrita also got same answer. Vishal, Harsha, even I got the same answer 0.619 or 0.6183. All are correct. Tejasvi, Amrita, Harsha, Mallikarjun, Ankita, Tejasvi, and answers are same 0.61. I think majority are getting the same answer. So we will complete this problem and we will try to conclude today's class. And find h of x given y equal to h of x comma y minus h of y. These are known to you already. It is there in your notebook. Simply fill the values and find out h of x given y. .6695 Geeta, Jayasurya, Shivani, Gaura all are typing 0.669 Ajna, Amrita, Aditya, Charan, Spurti, Abhishek, Shivani, and Abhirup, Joshi all are getting the same answer. Devraj, Devidas, Vishwa, Abhay, Charan, Varsha got 0.669, and Shruti Mali got same. Pragati, Kankar, all are getting the same answer. Very good. Siddharth got the same. Vinay got same answer. Majority are getting the same answer. It may be correct. Even I too got same. Sripath did it 669. 0.669 correct. Sripath. And now the last bit of this problem statement is I have to find out I of x comma y using both the equations. If answer is same for both the cases, then what you have done is correct. Even in the exam also you do it this. If both answers are same, then you will get 100% marks in the ITC. Just calculate. Just I'll copy all your content, whatever you are typed in the MS Word for my convenience, for later reference. So that I'll come to know how many times you have given the answer. Even for your reference also it will be there with me. Okay, many have typed the answers. .249 Priya, Amrita, Gaura, Nutan, Priya and Charan, all these students they are getting a .249, and please try to fill in both the equations and almost you should get the same .249, something like that only. Nayak, Lohit, Shripad, they are getting the same answer. What I got is 0.249 bits per symbol. Correct. Shruti did both and she got 0.249, 0.248. Correct, Shruti. Very good. Bharat, Rohan, Vijay Lakshmi has typed their answers. I want everybody has to do is and let them type their answers, and we'll conclude the class, and you may be having another class. You can join there. Thank you for attending classes. Take care. Have a good day. And I'll be here for another 3-4 minutes.